Hi everyone, I'm Jason Franke, head golf professional at Heritage Eagle Bend Golf Club, and I want to take everyone through how to book a tee time as a resident. There are two ways to find the resident tee times. The first is by clicking this button in the top left corner of the HEBGC website and then clicking the Play Golf section. There you will see a link for resident tee times. Click this and it will take you to our tee time booking engine. The other way to find resident tee times is when you are logged into the website as a resident already. When you are logged in, there is a golf section right here. Click that to reveal the resident tee times and click the link. It takes you to exactly the same tee time booking engine. That golf section also features a link to the portal for all the resident golf leagues. A quick but important note, the username and password for the resident side of the website is different than the username and password for the resident tee time system. If you need help getting logged into the resident side of the website, please contact Jeff Lambert. And if you need help getting logged into the tee time system, please contact us in the golf shop. We can always make the logins identical so there is less confusion. Please just reach out and we can help. In our next video, I will break down how tee time schedules will work for residents in 2021.